2021 Land Rover Evoque, upgraded original steering wheel heating, clear side view mirror, flip screen, 360 blind spot, ambient light, 360 surround view. Now we put reverse gear, and reverse, front, right rear, left side, left front. We can see that the 360 surround view is quite clear. This is from a chassis perspective. When we move forward, the chassis perspective will come out. Now we move forward slowly. This is the original surround view camera. We have activated the Land Rover Evoque's original blind spot function. There is an alarm for approaching vehicles from behind on the screen. This is a function of blind spot driving assistance. The flip screen will automatically restore its position every time the ignition switch is turned off or the engine is turned off. We support remote coding with the Jet Master tool, the JLR engineering tool via remote support. Learn more details at jlr-retrofit.com. Thank you.